Hello friends, my name is Smriti and you are on my channel Learn with Smriti. So today we are going to see the tips, the important thing which is most important or which is required to learn English conversation. If you are a beginner and if you really want to be fluent in English and if you want to learn English, then this video is for you. So, what are the things which are required? इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए वो कौन कौन सी चीजें होती हैं जो जरूरी होती हैं? Well, I'm not going to discuss all the points here in this video, but the first and the most basic point which we are going to see in this video is about learning the most common words. So, if you are new to my channel, do like, share, subscribe my channel if you like this video. So, now, if you are a beginner and if you are planning to learn English, so you must know all these words. I have written few words here on the blackboard. Now, don't get puzzled or don't get perplexed. Ma'am, you have written so many words. Don't worry. I'm going to tell you the tip, the thing which can help you to learn all these words. Now, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? अगर आप बिगिनर हैं, ऑफ कोर्स आपको इजीली ये सारे वर्ड्स नहीं लर्न हो पाएंगे. वेल, अगर आप बिगिनर नहीं भी हैं, तो अगर किसी को भी कहा जाए कि ये लिस्ट आप लर्न कर लीजिए, तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एनीबॉडी टू रिकॉल ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. सो व्हाट इज द आइडिया हाउ यू कैन लर्न ऑल दीज वर्ड्स? सो फर्स्ट थिंग, you write down all these words. So these are the words of mixture of many words like noun, adverb, conjunction. So forget about that. But आपको इन words को अपने आप से familiarize करना है. इन words को समझना है. Now, what are the ways? First of all, write all the words. इन सभी words को लिखिए on a piece of paper. Now, take a pen and pencil and strike the words that you know. मतलब उन सभी words को आप strike कीजिए, cut कीजिए जिन्हें आप पहले से जानते हैं. Now how it is going to help you? Now जिन words को आप पहले से जानते हैं उन्हें पढ़ने का टाइम भी आप सेव कर सकते हैं और you will not get confused amongst the words. Now, एक बार अगर आपने सारे वर्ड्स को स्ट्राइक कर लिया जो आपको ऑलरेडी आते हैं, नाउ गिव योर अटेंशन टू द वर्ड्स व्हिच यू डोंट नो और यू पार्शियली नो. आप धीरे धीरे करके अगेन सारे वर्ड्स को एक साथ मत पढ़िए, चंक्स में पढ़िए, जैसे 4 का ग्रुप, 5 का ग्रुप, और इस तरह से सबसे पहले आप इन वर्ड्स को सीखिए, समझिए, because these are the words which we often use in our conversation or if we are writing something. So let's see all the words one by one. Ask, work, become, will, begin, want, can, use, turn, could, try, feel, think, find, tell, get, talk, have, take, hear, start, help, like, play, know, say, keep, seem, live, run, let, make, need, put, and, about, will, some, into, other, look, because, many, even, through, may, over, ask. Sorry guys, this word is not clear. Really, most, while, great, help, and this word is when. So, ये कुछ ऐसे वर्ड की लिस्ट मैंने आपके सामने प्रेजेंट की है जो कि हम अक्सर यूज करते हैं. Try to recall, I'm not going to say try to learn. It's not possible to learn all the words, but yes, if you will see these words, or if you will give time to these words, I'm pretty sure you're going to learn it, you're going to recall it. And yes, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversation. I hope you like this video, and see you in next video for more such tips to learn English. Bye bye.